friends. Welcome to Kohl Children's Museum Home Zone. I'm back. My name is Corey, and we're looking at whole foods this week, okay? So, one thing I thought about is getting outside and spending more time outside. So I'm going to try to make a rocket, a baking soda and vinegar rocket, okay? So, what you'll need for this project is, there's a plastic container, okay? I've got a couple different kinds because I want to do a couple different experiments, okay? And you can do those too at home. A cork that will fit inside this right here. And you need some pencils, okay? So here, either some pencils or some pens here, and then three for each bottle that you're going to use. And you'll need some tape to put around your bottle, and a funnel to pour in the vinegar, and scissors for everyday cutting, okay? And some baking soda, and maybe a spoon. I got some teaspoons and tablespoons here, okay? And then you'll need a tissue, okay? I cut a tissue in half and ripped it up. So I just have a single ply of tissue, and I'll show you that a little bit later, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do to get ready for this, okay, rocket, is I'm gonna turn this bottle here into a rocket. So what I do is I cut a piece of tape right here, okay? And I wanna put my rocket going like this and standing up like a tripod. Okay, so I got to figure out how, so I can do it so that the cork is in here. It won't touch the cork. It'll just be raised off very so slightly. Okay, so I'm going to try to do that. Put it around here. Whoops, that one fell. We're going to put it right here. Wrap it right around there. On the bottom, you can see if I can get my pen. Oops. Get another one going on the other side, maybe. Here we go. On the other side. So they're even. Oops, this one's a little bit not even. This is the hardest part. You might have to have some adult help with this too. But definitely when you do the experiment outside, and you'll want to have some safety glasses too when you do that project outside. Okay, let's wrap it up here. Let's see how we got. Let's tape them a little bit, and so there's like, it's making a tripod right there, so it's staying up. There we go. Okay, so I did these other ones the same way. So we have them in there. And the cork, one of the corks I needed to make was a little bit bigger, so I wrapped a piece of duct tape around it. That's a tip that you might want to take with you. And then I put this in here, and we made a good seal. And the next part, we're going to be going outside, okay? So stay tuned.
Hi friends, welcome back. I've got my safety glasses on, and I'm going to put them on because we are going to try to make our rockets launch today. I've got 4 baking soda special pockets made, and I've got 3 containers made. So we're going to see what happens. I got a lot of vinegar, and I've got a funnel, and I've got my 3 like kind of made up rocket chips. Okay, so we're going to give it a shot. Okay, so we'll test out the first one. Is this one here, and I want to see how this is going to work. I've kind of had to adapt the cork so it fits in there. Okay, so we'll see what happens. So there, I need to be more quicker when I put it down. Okay. So we'll try round 2. Okay. Let's try out a different one. Whoa, did you see that? Wow. Okay, got a couple more. Let's test them out. This one's a little different design. I think it might, see what it does. You might want to try and measure out the quantities of baking soda to vinegar and then see how far you can get it to go up in the air. Might be interesting. And then you can graph it. I just estimated because they told me, I did some research and they said to put like about 2 inches of vinegar in and then to roll up like about a tablespoon of baking soda in a Kleenex. So that's what I did, just estimated. But maybe you could graph it and then you could have a chart. Okay, while we're waiting for this one to go, I'm not sure if it's going to go or not. I'm going to get the next one ready. Whoa! That was higher than the garage. Ooh! Wow, very interesting. So maybe the bottle shape has something to do with how tall it goes? Okay, thank you. See you next time.